Ambalika Institute of Management and Technology. It's my pleasure to introduce our distinguished speaker, Mr. K.M.Pandey, Director of LogicPro InfoSystems. He is an expert in robotics, IoT, and machine learning, with over 14 years of rich experience in training and skill development. Mr. Pandey has conducted numerous workshops and training programs in some of the most prestigious institutes of our country, including IIT Kanpur, NITs, and many more. His expertise spans a wide range of cutting-edge technologies such as Python, machine learning, embedded system, IoT, and MATLAB. We are truly privileged to have him with us today to share his knowledge and insights. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Krishna Mohan Pandey.
To honor, to honor our esteemed guest, esteemed guest, I would like to invite our respected additional director, sir, to kindly come forward and present a. To honor our esteemed guest, I would like to invite our director, sir, to kindly come forward and present the bouquet as a token of respect and warm welcome.
May I request everyone to please put your hands together as we welcome our distinguished speaker with a bouquet.
Bouquet है